Good morning, students. Today now we are going to topic about thermal physics. Okay, which lessons of Unit 3? Thermal physics. Thermal meanings of heat. Heat energies. That is thermal physics. Sun is the primary source of thermal energy for all living organisms. Thermal energy is the cause and temperature is the effect. Okay, all living things, organisms needed the particular temperature of their survival. In the kitchens, a container with a steel bottom, okay, container with a steel bottom is placed on the induction stove. Do you know why? All of us have a common means understanding of thermal energy and temperature. Okay, thermal energy converted into temperature. But in these chapters, you shall learn about thermal energy and temperature in a scientific manner. We shall also discuss about how thermal energy is transferred and the effects of thermal energy. We can see the pictures. Heat, 1 minute. Okay, heat transfer. Okay, heat transfer. First of all, warmer that object heat transfer the cooler object. Okay, heat transfer the cooler object. Heat converted into transfer. Okay, one object to another. So one object to another to converted the energy of heat. Okay, whenever we cook, in our mom cooked the any object. Okay, also any prepared the food, so heat it is highly temperature. Some foods of highly temperature and some foods of low temperature. So this is a different sheet of temperature. So heat energy and heat transfer. Okay, so some bowls is heat absorbed very fastly. Some bowls is very slowly. So heat transfer, it is variation of differentiate. Okay, variation of differentiate. Next one, solar energy. So some energy of solar energy. So sun is a primary source of thermal energy. So all living organisms, first of all tree absorbs of photosynthesis. Okay, so energy, and so heat energy react with photosynthesis. Then only living organisms. Okay, living organisms. So உயிர் வாழணும் அப்படின்னா ஸோ some heat energy வேணும். So living organisms. Then only anaerobic digestions. Okay, so chemical energy and chemical energy. Then heat energy. Fire, it is was heat energy. And bulb, like that bulb, so brightness of electrical energy. Next one, heat. What is heat? Heat versus temperature. Okay, heat versus temperature. Temperature is defined as the degree of hotness of a body. The temperature is higher for the hotter body than for the colder body. It also be defined as the property which determine whether a body is in equilibrium or not with the surroundings. Further, temperature is property which determines the direction of flow of heat. It is a scale quantity. SI unit of temperature Kelvin. Okay, SI unit of temperature Kelvin. There are commonly used unit temperatures such as degree Celsius. Okay, degree Celsius, degree Celsius. Degree Fahrenheit. Okay, degree Fahrenheit. So varies of temperature, degree Fahrenheit and degree Celsius and degree Kelvin. Okay, degree Kelvin, degree Fahrenheit and degree Celsius. So different ways of temperatures. So heat converted into temperature. So over speed of heat. Okay, speed continuously long increases, then only after temperature. Okay, so temperature, whenever fever, check in the hospitals. So Fahrenheit, okay, degree of Fahrenheit and degree of Kelvins. Temperature of degree Celsius, okay. So difference variation Kelvin, that is heat, temperatures of boiling water. So the observes of Kelvins, okay. Degree Celsius. So 100 degrees Celsius of fevers and 104 degrees Celsius of fevers, okay. So Fahrenheit, then only differentiate of variation of heat molecules. So okay, next one, measuring of temperature. What is measuring of temperature? Degree Celsius. So degree Celsius volumes, okay, degree Celsius volumes and temperature 100 degrees temperatures. How do we make sure all thermometers give a same reading? All thermometers are calibrated using two fixed point. So melting point of pour water at 0 degree, okay, melting point of pour water 0 degree and melting point and boiling point of a pure waters at 100 degrees Celsius. If the measuring instruments change innerly with temperature, all thermometers should read the same, okay, all thermometers should read the same. Next one, absolute scale of temperature. What is absolute scale of temperature? Kelvin scale, okay, Kelvin scale. Absolute temperature scale, any thermometric scale on which a reading of 0 uh, coincides with a theoretical absolute zero of temperature, okay, theoretical absolute zero of temperature. The temperature measured in relation to absolute zero using the Kelvin scale is known as absolute scale temperature, okay, temperature measure relation to absolute zero using okay, the Kelvin scale is known as absolute scale, okay, Kelvin scale is known as absolute scale, okay, Kelvin scale is known as absolute scale. It also the thermodynamic temperature, each unit define the fractions of 1 by 273.16, the part of the thermodynamic temperature of triple point of water. Temperature difference of 1 degree Celsius, 1 degree Celsius is equal that of 1 Kelvin, is equal that of 1 Kelvins, okay, 1 degree Celsius equal that of 1 Kelvin. Kelvin, 0 Kelvin is absolute scale of temperature of body, okay, of the bodies, okay, 0 Kelvin absolute scales of temperature of the body. So Celsius of Kelvins, Celsius of Kelvins, C K is equal to C plus 273, okay, C plus 273. Fahrenheit and Kelvins, F this place, okay, F plus 460, okay, F plus 460 into 5 by 9. So 0 degree Celsius, 0 degree 0 Kelvin is equal to minus 273 degree Celsius, okay, minus 273 degree Celsius. So absolute scales of temperature. Next one, thermal equilibrium. What is thermal equilibrium? Establishing thermal equilibrium, two or more physical systems of our systems or bodies are said to be thermal equilibrium if there is no net flow of thermal energy between the systems. Heat energy always flows from one body to other due to the temperature difference between them. Thus you can define thermal equilibrium is another way. If two bodies are said to be in thermal equilibrium, then they will be at the same temperature. What will happen to two bodies at a different temperature or both in contact with one another? There will be transfer of heat energy from the hot body to cold body, okay, until the thermal equilibrium is established between them. This is depicted, okay, it is depicted when a cool body is placed in contact with a hot body, some thermal energy transferred from the hot body to cold body. As a result, there is some rise in the temperature of the cold body and a decrease in the temperature of the hot body. This process will continue until these two bodies attain the same temperature. So it is obtained when touching object within a systems reach the same temperature. Okay, so 0 degree temperatures and 100 degree temperatures, that is same temperature. So transfer one to another to transfer of same temperature. So 50 degrees temperature or other transfer of temperatures of 50 degrees temperature. So same temperatures of energy of thermal equilibrium. Okay, then only thermal energy. What is thermal energy? Thermal energy, thermal, when a hot object is in contact with another cold object, okay, a form of energy flows from the hot object to the cold object, which is known as thermal energy. ஸோ எப்போவுமே ஹாட் ஆப்ஜெக்ட் காண்டாக்ட் வித் அதர் கோல்டு ஆப்ஜெக்ட்டு. ஸோ ஹாட் ஆப்ஜெக்ட்லேருந்து அதர் கோல்டு ஆப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கு எனர்ஜி வந்து ஃப்ளோ ஆகும். ஸோ ஹாட் ஆப்ஜெக்ட் டு த கோல்டு ஆப்ஜெக்ட், ஸோ ஹாட் ஆப்ஜெக்ட்லேருந்து டு ஓல்டு ஆப்ஜெக்ட், which is known as thermal energy. Okay, so there are thermal energy. First of radiation. So first of all heat, first heat increases, okay, increases on stove, that is radiation. Then only inside of waters heated with some particles, so more heated, okay, some particles more heated, that is convection. So in the convections of bottom with sides of bottoms, that is heat energy of conduction. Okay, so three stages of radiation, convection and conduction of thermal energy. Next one, characteristic features of heat energy of transfer. Okay, characteristic features of heat energy to transfer. Heat always flows from a systems at higher temperature to a systems at lower temperature. So higher temperature systems at lower temperature. Mass of the systems is not altered when it is heated or cooled. Any exchange for any exchange of heat, the heat gained by the cold systems is equal to heat lost by the hot systems. Heat gained is equal to heat lost. Okay, heat gained is equal to heat lost. Heat gain is equal to heat lost. Heat lost. Okay, next one, other units of heat energy. That's the SI unit of heat energy is joule. SI unit of heat energy, joule. Okay, joule. There is some other commonly used units. Okay, calorie and kilocalorie. 1 calorie defined as the amount of heat energy required to rise the temperature of 1 gram of water through 1 degree Celsius. 1 gram water of 1 degree Celsius. And kilocalories, 1 kilocalories is defined as the amount of heat energy required. Okay, so amount of heat energy required to rise the temperature. 1 kilogram of water through 1 degree Celsius. Okay, 1 kilogram water is 1 gram of water through the 1 degree Celsius, and 1 kilogram of water through 1 degree Celsius. So same unit. Okay, next one, gases of law. So 3 gases of law. Okay, Avogadro law and Boyle law and Charles law. Okay, so very importance of fundamental laws of gas. So fundamentals law which conduct the relation between the pressure, volume and temperature. Okay, so 3 laws, Boyle's law and Charles law and Avogadro law. First of all, Boyle's law. Okay, Boyle's law. When the temperature of the gas kept constant, the volume of fixed mass of gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. Okay, this is the this is the formula of P. Pressure is equal to P. P alpha is equal to 1 by V. V is equal to volume. Okay, 1 by V. This picture observes the pressure of gas increases at its volume decreases. Okay, pressure of gas increases. Pressure of gas increases. Volume decreases. Assuming constant mass and temperature. Okay, assuming constant of mass, temperature. So volume increases. Okay, and pressure decreases. Okay, pressure decreases. Volume increases and pressure decreases when pulling up. Okay, when pulling up, then only this pictures volume decreases and pressure increases. Okay, volume decreases and pressure increases when pulling down. In other words, of an invariable mass of the perfect gas at constant temperature, the product of it is pressure and volume, it is a constant. Okay, so constant PV is equal to constant. This is a Boyle law. Okay, this is called as Boyle law. Next one, Charles law. Charles law was formulated by the French scientist, okay, Jacques Charles. According to this law, when the pressure of gas is kept constant, the volume of gas is directly proportional. Okay, directly proportional. So Boyle's law inversely proportional and Charles law directly proportional to the temperature of the gas. V alpha T. Okay, volume and temperature. Charles law states that is volume of gas directly proportional absolute temperature, assuming the quantity of gas and pressure remaining constant. Pressure of remaining constant. Okay, next one, Avogadro law. What is Avogadro law? Equal volume of gas contain the same number of molecules, same temperature and same pressure. Okay, equal volume and contain same number of molecules, same temperature. Okay, same temperature and same pressure. This is a Avogadro law. Okay, V by N K volume by numbers equal to Kelvin. V1 N1 V2 equal to V2 N2. Okay, numbers, same numbers and same molecule, same volumes. Okay, same equal volumes and equal same number. Okay, equal volume and same number. Pressure and temperature, it is a constant. Okay, pressure and temperature, it is a constant. Doubling the number of molecules doubles the pressure. Okay, so pressure, it is a main points, pressure and it is a constant. Avogadro numbers total number of atoms per molecules of the substance, it is equal to Avogadro numbers. Already we have to learn of Avogadro numbers, 6.023 into 10 power of 23 mole. Okay, 10 power of 23 mole. So this is it is a Avogadro number. Okay, thank you students, thank you to all. Thermal physics lesson I will teach finish. Okay, finished. Okay students, then only we have to refer these lessons. Okay, இந்த லெசனை நீங்கள் ரெஃபர் பண்ணணும். நீங்கள் ரெஃபர் பண்ணால் தான் உங்களுக்கு யூ கேன் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் தட் திஸ் ஹெட்டிங்ஸ். ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், தேங்க்யூ டு ஆல்.